I'm the head climbing guide for Adventure Owl. You're through your harness. You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You lower yourself like that.
Okay,
Do you think you can do that?
I think so.
So as the climber climbs up on one end of the rope, it creates slack, slide. Perfect. Pull, break, under. I'll be right here with you. Climbing's all about pushing rather than pulling, so I use the analogy of climbing a ladder. You're like mostly looking down for your feet. Whether you're a seasoned climber or it's your very first time, we're going to teach you something new. Come climb with us.